Who knows what evil lurks in the hearts of men?
Not so many years ago, tomato soup and cream of tomato were unusual dishes, enjoyed very much, but not very often. Today, of all the soups in the world, tomato soup is the one most often served. Not because women have taken to making tomato soup frequently. No, on the contrary, few housewives ever attempt it anymore. There's just one reason for tomato soup's popularity, and it is this: the magic, matchless flavor of Campbell's tomato soup. There's a lively verve, a dashing zest about this flavor that people take to at once and come back to and enjoy again and again. The first racy taste of it has a way of arousing a desire to eat, and yet there's a pleasant feeling of satisfaction when the last spoonful is gone. So this soup is a happy choice for the main dish at lunchtime or at supper, and it also is a fine way to start today's main meal. Serve it sometimes, too, as cream of tomato, made with milk instead of water. You can always be sure that it will be received with pleasure, because this, of all soups, is the one people like to have most often. Campbell's tomato soup.
Bye.
You guys have a good day today.
Pepsi-Cola, it's a spot, 12 ounces, that's a lot, twice as much for a nickel too. Pepsi-Cola is the drink for you. Nickel, 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 trickle, trickle, nickel, 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 trickle, 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 nickel, 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 nickel.
Making a nice coffee.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned where I had sometimes play chess. And when I'm looking for that vintage flame. But all complexion that I adore. So hard to find me feeling possible to score. So I keep on till we find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a fool. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, you're whisking me. The lights were dim as our eyes met and saw me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
Oh, it's unplugged. Yeah. There you go.
Welcome back. We're done. We're almost done making cupcakes. They just have to be baked.
Chopper.
I kept on looking, but everyone's such a fool. Out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the table, you're whisking me. The lights were dim as our eyes met and you saw me. And forevermore, I'd like to share that vintage dream. And forevermore, we're living in that vintage dream.
We interrupt this episode to bring you exciting news about how you can support small businesses. Stay tuned after the show to learn more. Are you tired of losing your spot in your knitting? Would you like to add some unique handmade items to your accessories? Look no further than Simply Serving on Etsy.com. Simply Serving is a woman-run handmade business that offers a wide range of handmade products. From stitch markers and progress keepers to earrings and necklaces, handmade in the central United States, Simply Serving can guarantee a personalized experience for artists and lovers of the arts. Using crafting supplies such as economically sourced wood, polymer clay, and U.S. printed paintings, Simply Serving is sure to have something you will love. So head on over to simplyserving.etsy.com and see how you can support artists who make their living with their own two hands. Simply Serving. Notions and accessories, handmade just for you.